I bought a washing machine, a branded washing machine, and less than 2 months in, my rubber seal had a crack in it to the point where the door seal, where it was leaking into my kitchen. And the company I bought it from said that I don't have any rights because it's a consumable, and that was less than 2 months of having it, and wanted to charge me £150 to have it repaired.
What a bunch of crooks. Don't name them, but are they a well-known vendor shop?
The company, the actual washing machine company, are a huge company, and the vendor that I bought it from is also a very, very well-known company. They dumped it all on me. They left me with an unusable washing machine for almost 2 months, and not just that, but it was repaired, and lo and behold, 3 weeks later, the same problem occurred. I was told I didn't know how to use the machine and that I was overloading it.
That's weird. Why would the same problem occur twice? I get the seal can go wrong because it's been manufactured. The particular seal has been manufactured badly.
It's a design fault, I think.
Really? Have you looked on websites to see if other people have complained about this?
I have. There's not a lot of information out there, but the engineer who came out categorically told me that they used to charge £10 to fix this problem, and originally they did it for free because it was so common, and he also felt that it was a design problem, but yet this huge company had absolutely no regard for this, and told me, again, if I wanted it fixed, it would be £150.
Did you pay the £150 first time, Rania?
So the first time it was paid, but the second time, because it's not completely broken and it's not leaking out, I can't afford to. It was a £500 machine, and so early on, how can you call it a consumable when it's less than 2 months old?
Yeah, absolutely. That's just insane. So anything you buy has to be of satisfactory quality and fit for its purpose, and this wasn't. Consumables should not be going wrong within 2 months, and they shouldn't be going wrong when replaced within another 2 months of that. I would reject the entire washing machine. I'd email them now and say that you're rejecting the washing machine, you want your money back, and you're legally entitled to it if it's not of satisfactory quality.
I've done this, and they said no. They emailed me back and they said no. I don't know whether to now take it to a small claims court, but it's been very, very frustrating for me.
Yeah, I would definitely take them to the small claims court, and I think they will fold the moment you issue a claim form. So what you need, because they know they're in the wrong here. This is seriously out of order. What I would do is write to them. Email is fine, giving them 14 days notice that unless they refund you the cost of the washing machine and they can come and collect it, and also the £150 you paid them previously, although that's a little bit grayer whether you'll get that back. You're going to issue a claim in the small claims court, and then just do it, Rania. Just issue it, and they'll get 14 days to put in a defence. I imagine they won't bother. They'll just pay up at that point.